Great, welcome to my mess. So, I got a 2015 Polaris Sportsman 1000. It came with a Polaris winch on it, installed from Polaris. Polaris 2500. I plow a lot of snow with this thing. 3 winters straight of plowing snow. In doing that, I went and wore out the brushes on my winch. It would go down, but it won't go up. So, took it apart. Here's what I found. These are that would be your going down brushes, and these are your going up brushes. And going up brushes, little pieces that were left. There was a whole bunch of this. That's my brushes. All this black dust. That's my brushes. So what you do on the end cap, got these long bolts, 8mm. Take those out, pull the end cap off. You can take the whole motor off, and what I have here is called armature inside the electric motor, and he's wow. So your brush is right on this end. This is like this basically. Goes inside there. There's your magnets. And that's what makes your winch work. The bearing on this end. All the windings. Very, very powerful little motor. As you can see, it likes to find its own place. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I went to Harold Supply, Sudbury, Ontario. I don't have their phone number offhand, but anyway, I'll put that in the description maybe. And I got a brush kit, a rebuild kit. What this rebuild kit has is pieces of it. So, got a new stud. This will be one side for up and down, and the second set. You got to buy 2 sets of brushes to do the job. So, there's the second set to do the other side. This becomes spare parts. That's spare parts. I can probably solder them on later if I really want to. But that's all it is. And then you got a new insulator. That goes right there. So you take this bolt out, take the nut off, take this nut off, pull that stud out, put your new brush in. Do the same to the other side. Keep your color codes on the right sides. You got brand new springs. Here's my Polaris springs. I just put them aside. So you got 4 new springs, 4 more new springs. So you're going to have all kinds of springs, all kinds of spare parts for next time. All these spare brushes. So there's spare parts. This is what I'm going to use. Got that. 2 insulators. 2. Oh, these 2 springs are stuck together. So okay. So anyway. So I got 4 springs, and I'm going to use 2 sets of brushes. This is all spare parts. Here's the part number that I used. Can't really see it because it was shining. Okay, here we go. This is the part number. I don't know who makes this set, but this is the part number that you want. From Harold Supply, Sudbury, Ontario. If you want a mail order and call, they'll probably send it out to you. And this is the ones for the Polaris 2500 HD Heavy Duty Series 2500 pound winch. That came on my Polaris Sportsman 2015 model. Imagine older ones are the same. I don't think the Warrens are the same. I don't think this is a Warren winch. I don't know who's making them for Polaris. I kind of think it's a keeper. Just looking at the switches and stuff, they just kind of look the same. But anyway, so this is my what we need to fix our Warren winch. Or I mean our Polaris 2500 pound winch, not Warren. 2500 Polaris winch. So I'll put these parts together and hopefully everything works. Right on. Alright, have a good day, YouTube.